Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm playing. Okay. I want to choose a sword first. Powers. Those I don't have that yet. Swords. I can choose any of these swords. I'll try the sledgehammer. Let's go. Oh no. Close this. Close this. Close this. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I missed that. No, I did. Oh, I scored. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. No, they scored. Alright. Ronaldo scored. No, I'm gonna be going now. You know what? I'll be going. Okay. Oh, I missed. Oh, I hit. Oh, he scored, not me. Oh, I thought I scored. Let's go. I scored. Let's go. Oh, what? I didn't score. Oh, that makes no sense. I actually scored it. You didn't score it. What? Oh, that makes no sense. Let's open the check crate. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? Oh. I'm using a sledgehammer. Oh, I'm getting got fry pans. What I think? Don't I already have all of these? Oh, I'll try the fish. Actually, I'll try one of these. Katana. Try that.